Have the Rhode Pocket Blushes been duped? Based off the packaging alone, I'm gonna say yes. These are from Beauty. They are the Blush and Go cream sticks. They look identical to the Rhode Pocket Blushes, which these are some of my favorite blushes. These retail for $8.99 and the Rhode is $25. So this is a pretty drastic price difference. Rhode formula is one of my favorites. It's so creamy, so blendable, really easy to work with. So if they pulled off a dupe on that formula, I'm gonna be shocked. It's a shade Warm Terracotta, and it's definitely a dupe for the Toasted Teddy. Toasted Teddy is just so iconic. Everybody loves it. I mean, that's insanely similar. I bought two other shades. We have Baby Pink. I assume this is a dupe for Piggy. Let's try Piggy next to it. Yeah. I will say Piggy is a little bit more on the cool side. This one feels just slightly warmer. Then we have Hot Pink, which I think is going to be a dupe for Juice Box. Kind of. I feel like this one's more sheer, and then this one is more like in your face hot pink. I want to compare and try Toasted Teddy though, because that one's my favorite. So we're gonna try Toasted Teddy on this side. You can just see how easy that is to work with. This is one of my all-time favorite blushes, and this shade is perfect. It's like a warm bronzy blush shade. The blend is absolutely flawless, so let's go in with Beauty. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this feels really, really similar. I'm genuinely like shocked at how similar it is. You can see that one blends out just as easily. They look pretty much the same. The real only difference that I can see, this one's a little bit patchier. I want to know what you guys think. Which side do you prefer?